Paminsan-minsan, may mga bagay na mas maganda na walang laman. Kasi kung minsan, madalas sa buhay natin, kapag napansin natin yung isang bagay o lalagyan, walang laman, ang ginagawa natin is we fill it up again. Nilalagyan natin uli ng laman. Example, yung sasakyan mo o kotse mo, kapag walang gas, you fill it up. Yung bank account mo o kaya yung pitaka mo, kapag wala ka po sa pera o walang laman, mag-iipon ka uli para magkaroon ng laman. O yung lalagyan mo ng asukal o lalagyan ng asin. Kapag kapos na siya o wala ng laman, bibili ka uli para lagyan mo ng asukal o ng asin. Pero minsan, okay din na ang isang bagay walang laman. For example, the empty tomb. The empty tomb is a sign that Christ is alive, that Christ has resurrected, that Christ has defeated sin and death, that Jesus Christ, fully God and fully man, saved human beings, saved us, redeemed us on the cross, and He died and now is alive. This is what the empty tomb tells us. Walang laman ang tomb. Walang laman ang libingan ni Kristo. Kaya kung minsan, kung feeling natin o nararamdaman natin, walang laman ang puso natin, walang laman ang buhay natin, baka ito yung sign para malaman natin na buhay ang Diyos, na buhay si Jesucristo, na buhay ang Panginoon, ang Diyos na nagkatawang tao, that Jesus Christ is alive. Remember, some things are better empty. And this is the sign of the empty tomb, that Jesus Christ is alive. When you feel empty in your heart, in your life, maybe this is the time that we realize that Christ is alive and that He is ready to take His place, to take His throne sa mga puso natin, sa mga buhay natin. Because some things are better empty, just like the empty tomb. Happy Easter, everyone.